What's going on, guys? My name is Alex and welcome back. Today we're making something that is perfect on these hot summer days. You can have it by itself, you can mix it in with your favorite cocktails, your frozen treats, lemonades, whatever it might be. So let's go.
Okay, so let's get started. So you're going to start off with fresh watermelon, about 425 grams. That's about 3.5 cups of watermelon, all diced up, chopped up. Next, you're going to add strawberries, about 175 grams, about 1.5 cups. Okay, so next you're going to grab some mint, about a handful or so, to your liking. If you like more mint, awesome. If you don't like that much mint, just cut back a little bit, not a big deal. Grab your favorite vodka. I use the Mandrin, a little bit sweeter. Remember, your martinis are shaken, not stirred. James Bond's favorite. About 1/2 cup will do. If you want a little bit more boozy, go ahead and add more. If you want less booze, add less. And go ahead and put them into your favorite silicone molds. If you have a popsicle maker and you want to make popsicles, awesome. If not, ice cube trays will work just as well. Now, I like to use chopsticks. They're cheap and easy to get. Just get them with your favorite Chinese food. Just save them and then cut them up for later. When I cut them, I used scissors. Be careful not to have them splinter, otherwise you'll have splinters in your popsicles, which is definitely not yummy. Okay, now it's time to assemble. Let's get ready. Go ahead and add them to your favorite blender. I have a NutriBullet, which is great for doing this. It comes with a cup already, so I don't have to pour anything else. Just go ahead and add your watermelon. And then go ahead and add your strawberries. I did about half and half because the cup that this came in is a little bit smaller, so I had to do 2 batches of it, which is totally fine. If you have a big blender, then go ahead and just add everything at once. So go ahead and pull your mint to your desired taste, chop it up, leave it in whole, make sure you give it a good rinse. And then go ahead, add your vodka. You want a little bit boozier, add more booze. And then go ahead and blend it all up. Next, go ahead, just pour these into your containers. Don't worry about the mess. If you make a little bit of a mess, that's fine. Just clean it up afterwards. As you can see here, I made a bit of a mess, which is totally fine. I like to add them to a cookie sheet, and that just keeps them from spilling since they're a silicone mold. If you have plastic trays and they're stable, then you don't need to do this. It's just easier to transport with a cookie sheet. Now, go ahead and add them to your freezer. Move this stuff out of the way if you need to. There we go. Just slide them right on in there. And chill for about 1 to 2 hours. Now, go ahead and check on them. You'll see they're a little bit icy. The tops are a little bit harder. That's when you're gonna add your popsicle sticks. I find that if you add them right away, they'll fall over and it's harder to get them out of the mold. So go ahead and just add them here. I did some popsicles and I saved the other ones as just regular ice cubes. Bye-bye.
What did I tell you? Super easy, super simple, and takes no time at all. Just wait till they're frozen and delicious, have it on its own, mix it in with a little, one of your favorite cocktail drinks, and enjoy. I'll take one of these and I'll have the rest of these on my own. You guys have a great day.